Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Nokia. First of all, go into settings and click on security section over here. Now you need to scroll down and tap on face unlock. Following that, enter your current login method and tap on Set up Face Unlock. Now read the disclaimer, choose Start at the bottom right corner and keep your face in frame. Then you need to click on Done at the bottom right corner as well. And finally, adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the sworders next to them. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!